guys! Face Awards India is here again and it's time to talk about the first challenge. To start off, we would like to thank each and every one of you who participated. We are extremely overwhelmed with the response we have received. As a participant and the winner of last year's Face Awards India, I know the effort it takes and I'm so proud of the work you guys have shared with us in round 1. We went through all the fantastic entries and chose our top 15 based on their creativity, makeup artistry, quality of production, and the value of tutorial. It was extremely difficult, but we finally have our top 15 for the Face Awards India 2008. Who will move on in the competitions to be a part of top 6 and then fight to become Artist of the Year. Also win a trip to LA to attend US Face Awards and a year's supply of NYX professional makeup. And yes, a big shout out to our sponsors Nykaa and Audio Network. Okay guys, are you ready for the first challenge? It's time to show us your drop that gorgeous side.
Think glam, think goth, or do both. Go crazy with SFX or show us your inner diva. Make us drop that with your artistry.
So guys, let your imagination flow, get creative with your makeup and show us your deadly gorgeousness.
Top 15, we know you have it in you and we can't wait to see the incredible looks you create.
Stay tuned to our Instagram and Facebook page for more details. Top 15, be sure to check your email. We'll be sending some super important information. We are so excited to have our minds blown again by your entries. So don't hold back, show us what you've got, and good luck.